The upcoming Samsung Galaxy A06 has already been spotted on Geekbench and certified by the FCC, and it's getting ever closer to its official announcement by the day. Now it's been certified by the Bluetooth SIG, with the model numbers SMA065M/DS. The phone will have 4G connectivity only. The A05 came with a 6.7-inch 720p LCD touchscreen. The Galaxy A06 will be powered by the same MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. It will pair that with 6 GB of RAM. The prototype that ran Geekbench managed a single-core score of 1,644 and a multi-core score of 5,326, and it booted Android 14 as the finalized device should from day one, of course. A 50MP main camera with a 2MP depth sensor next to it, and 8MP selfie snapper. The Galaxy A06 will have a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 15W or 25W wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.